Morning student. Today I teach chapter 7 test measurement and evaluation. Now student, test measurement and evaluation in physical education are the devices for collecting essential details regarding the needs, capacities, abilities and attitudes of sports person. Now student, first definition of given by the definition of test. Test means a test is a presentation of a situation or a series of situations which bring out a specific response or answer from the subject. Okay, this is a specific response. Okay, now another way, a test is a procedure to check the quality, performance, or reliability reliability of something. Okay, this is the performance or reliability of something. Okay. Now some author says for the differences for the test according to Webster's dictionary. A test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacities of an individual or a group. According to H.M. Barrow and Maggie says the test refers to any specific instrument, procedure or technique used by an administrator to elicit a response from test taker. Okay, this is the defined by the test. Okay, now test is the some other words the specific terms. Test is the instrument or tool used to obtain data on specific traits, character, and individual or group. Okay, now next one is the measurement. Okay, student, this is the next is the measurement. Measurement means it is an evaluate is consists of numerical values or scientific scores by experts and also known as tri-score. Okay. Now, definition of measurement is the use of tests and techniques to collect information or data about a specific skill or fitness level of an individual. Okay. This is the some author says for the measurement according to Barry L. Johnson and Jack Nelson. Measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in collection of data. Okay. Now, question. Measurement is the use of treat and techniques of collect information and data about specific skill or fitness level of an individual. Okay. Now, some examples there is Miller volleyball test, Johnson basketball ability test. Okay. Offer physical test. Okay. This is the now. So measurement is a process through which our level of performance, fitness level, ability, knowledge, personality traits, and skills are measured with the help of various standard tests. Okay. This is the definition of measurement. Now, next is the evaluation. Evaluation is an evaluation in an assessment as systematic and impartial as possible of an activity, project, program, strategy, policy, okay, policy, topic, theme, sector, operational area, instrumental performance, okay. This is the so many things for the evaluation, okay. Now, some authors borrow says, some author says for the definition of evaluation is it is process of evaluation that involves collection of data from the product which can be used for comparison with preconceived criteria to make judgment. Okay. Now, it is a technique by which we come to know at what extent the objective are being achieved. Okay. This is the definition of a measurement. Okay. Now, other ways test measurement are the prerequisites for evaluation. The evaluation tells the worth or progress of the individual. Okay, this is the test and measurements are the prerequisites for evaluation. The evaluation tells the worth or progress of the individual or group. Now, student, the importance of test measurement and evaluation. This is the main thing. First is the classification of a sport person. Second is the selection of a sport person. Third is testing of the training. Okay, testing of the training effects, individualization of training program, motivation of sports program, to achieve goals, to study of sports person, to prepare standards or norms, to predict performance potential, to compare and evaluate, to conduct research work. Okay, this thing of the so many importance of yoga. Next is the body mass index. Next topic is the body mass index. The body mass index stands for body mass index. This formula and index was formulated by Belgian Quetelet. This fitness testing is used to measure body composition on the basis of weight and height. You can measure for the body composition like in the basic for the weight and height. Now students, they are divided by the category of the and range of the body mass index. Underweight category, healthy weight category, overweight category and obese category. Now the formula of the body mass index is the BMI, means the weight upon height into height. This is the body mass index. Next one, the hip and hip waist and hip ratio. Okay, this is the ratio of circumference of waist to that of the hips. Okay, this is the hip and waist ratio. Now next thing is the somatotypes. Somatotypes means it is classification of human body according to its shape and physics. It was developed by W.H. Sheldon. He classified the human body in terms of three extreme body types. Like this is developed for the three body type. Okay, first is the endomorphic. This is the endomorphic and mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Now defined by the endomorphic. Endomorphic person, they are fatty person, short height person, short neck, heavy neck, short thick neck, short arm and legs, wide hips and shoulder, wider front rather than side to side. Okay, lot of fat in body person. They endomorphs rate poorly on physical fitness level and also make poor athletes. They have less endurance, speed and agility, but they may possess good level of strength and powerful action. They can possess good metal powerful like this. Is the endomorphic, they're doing for the activities for the weightlifting and wrestling. They can do for the this type of activity, sports activity. Now next is mesomorphic. Mesomorphic person, they have the good strong build up, broad shoulder, broad muscular chest, very muscular arms, legs and like little body fat. They are medium in height, narrow hips, narrow from back and side to side. Okay, they have the good strength and speed and agility. For the cognitive ability, they have average endurance and flexibility. They are good in almost every sports. Mesomorphic sustain in low body fat level and find it easy to lose or gain weight. Okay, they are finally they gain for the weight and lose for the weight. Okay, this is the physically fit person called the mesomorphic. Okay, now next one is the ectomorphic. Ectomorphic person is the thin people, Okay, they are height. Height. Individual is long, slender and thin, high forehead, recording chin, narrow shoulder and hips, narrow chest and abdomen, thin arms and legs, little or lean muscles, and very low fat. They have less strength, perhaps not suitable for strong activities. Ectomorph dominate in the endurance and flexibility activities. It's good in long distance races. The thin person is great for the long distance races. Okay, and mesomorph they participate in every sports, or ectomorph participate in the weightlifting, bodybuilding. They can do for the weightlifting and kusti. Okay, this is the somatotypes. Three types of classification. Three types: endomorphic, mesomorphic. Okay, now uh, this today the first chapter 7 is completed for the this. Okay, now next you can Google Meet. We will again discuss further the chapter 7. Okay, student, have a nice day. See you. Okay, bye bye.